This is a 2014 to 2018 Subaru Forester. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Max Automotive for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Toronto, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory. Let's get started. Now there are two door sensors on the front door, one on each door, right over there. And there's a door sensor on the rear doors too, one on each side. We'll first get started with the front side one. You will need a socket ratchet combination to take that bolt off. That's the only thing that's holding the door sensor into the body. Just use a socket ratchet combination, a 10mm socket. That's what you need. It may be tempting to use a screwdriver, but don't use it because a screwdriver will easily strip off the head of that bolt there. You don't want that. So get the socket ratchet combination and start loosening that bolt. Get that bolt out and make sure you don't lose it because that bolt is very important. It not only just keeps the sensor in place, but it also forms the ground connection for the door sensor. Without it, it won't work. So now get a flathead screwdriver and push down in that slot over there. Push down and that will slide the electrical connector out. Get the new door sensor, slide it back onto the electrical connector. It only goes on in one way. Right, just position as such. And then slide it on and click it in place. And that's it. Now we can put the sensor back into the body. Get the bolt, align it over there, tighten it up, and that's it. See how easy it was? Now let's move on to the rear side one. The rear side process is the exact same as the front side one, except that over here you have to be more careful with the electrical connector because there's not a lot of wiring. So let me show you. Let's go ahead, get the socket ratchet combination and get the bolt off. Same process with getting the sensor off the door sensor. Press down over there in that slot with a screwdriver. But this time around though, the moment the electrical connector comes off, just keep one finger on it. You don't want to lose it inside the body because it's very hard to fish it out again. So just hold on to the electrical connector, get the new sensor, slide it on, put it back on. Same thing, just put the bolt back on and tighten that up. Tighten it, make sure it's not loose, and that is pretty much it. See how easy the whole process was? It only took us about 2 minutes. Hope you found the video useful.